Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all in Pune Municipal Corporation Education Department's YouTube channel. Welcome to this new academic year 21-22. It's a new normal academic year, we can say. Because why new normal? Because from last year, we are preparing ourselves to learn new things. We are learning, but in a new way. This is also a new way to learn the things. So now, today we are going to see verb. You all know verbs. Uh, from morning when you wakes up, you do so many things. Means from the morning you are having your breakfast, you are eating, you are bathing, or you are you are playing. So many things you do from the morning till the night. So today we are going to see a one very oftenly used form of a verb, that is ing words. Verb means what? You all know that a sentence is incomplete without a verb. If you don't use a proper verb in a sentence, it doesn't give any sense. So the verb is really important part in a sentence. A verb shows what a subject does, says, has, or is. A verb, that is a particular word, it gives us a sense what a subject does, or what a subject says, or what it wants to say. So today we are going to learn about these ing words, ing verbs. It, it gives us the information about the action going on. Means we can say in a grammatical word that it shows a continuous present tense. Means if you are saying that teacher, I am playing, means you are playing now. The verb, it has three main forms, means play, played, and playing. So these are regular forms. Sometimes a sentence contains two verbs. I am playing. So here am and playing. These two verbs gives a sentence a meaning. So now you know that the verb gives a meaning to the sentence. So here are some more examples of ing words, ing verbs. So see this picture. A tiger is dash on the grass. So which ing word we can put here? A tiger is dash on the grass. So word lying. A tiger is lying on the grass. Get it? A tiger is lying on the grass. So many examples are there. Again, one more example of ing word. The donkey is dash the load. So which ing word we can put here? A donkey is carry. Carry. Can we put here carry? Does it give sense to the statement? No. We can put carrying over here. The donkey is carrying the load. Again, the man is dash seeds. So what verb we can put here? The man is sowing a seed. Get it? The man is sowing a seed. Means the action of sowing the seeds is going on. Ing verbs gives us the information about what the action is going on. Again, the teacher is dash in the class. Can we put playing over here? The teacher is playing in the class. Is it correct? No. The teacher is teaching in the class. This word we can put over here. The teacher is teaching in the class means the teacher is teaching. The process is going on. The teaching process is going on. Can you get this? That ing verbs gives us the information about present continuous tense. What the process is going on, about this the verbs are telling. The boy is dash to music. So what the word we can put over here? The boy is carrying to music. Is it correct? No. The boy is listening to music. This boy is listening to music. Some more examples. So tell me what ing verb you can put over here. The girl is dash soap bubbles. So what should be the correct word over here? The girl is blowing soap bubbles. The girl is blowing soap bubbles. So she is blowing it. It seems that the action is in process. In the grammatical word, we can say that present continuous tense. Wherever you can see this ing words, it gives sense that the process is going on. In grammatical word, we say that present continuous tense. Again, one more example. It's really familiar to you, isn't it? The kids are dash with pillows. You all know what they are doing. What they are doing actually, the kids are playing with the pillow, isn't it? So here we put the word playing. So kids, these are some examples of ing verbs, and I request you all that today you have to do one activity. Take a newspaper or any other textbook, English textbook you can take, and find wherever these ing verbs are there, you have to underline that verbs and write that sentence in your rough book or any notebook. At least write 10 examples of these kind of verbs.